Ever wondered how the aroma of fresh bread mingles with the morning chaos of a bustling household? Welcome to a day in the life of a mother who is also a baker, juggling the kneading dough with the needs of her children, all under the sunny skies of southern Florida. The day starts at the crack of dawn. The world outside is still asleep, the night's blanket yet to be fully lifted. But inside this home, the day has already begun. The smell of coffee fills the air, a silent signal to the rest of the house that it's time to rise and shine. A baker's day starts early, but for a mom, it starts even earlier. Breakfast needs to be prepared, lunches need to be packed. All this while our mom baker is already thinking about the pastries she will be baking for the day. Is it going to be a day for croissants, or are the sweet aromas of cinnamon rolls going to fill the bakery? School runs are a part of the morning routine. This is the time when the mother hat is worn more prominently. Conversations about homework, school projects, and sometimes the latest playground drama fill the car. Upon returning home, the apron goes on and the baker's hat is firmly in place. It's time to get down to business. The scent of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, a testament to the hard work and dedication that goes into each loaf. As the day progresses, so does the dance between the roles of mother and baker. A call from school, a scraped knee, a forgotten lunchbox. These are all woven into the fabric of the day. But so are the golden brown crusts of the bread, the light fluffiness of the pastries, and the satisfied smiles of the customers. As the sun begins to set, the last batch of bread comes out of the oven, and the bakery slowly winds down. But the day is far from over. Homework needs to be checked, dinner needs to be cooked, bedtime stories need to be read. And in between all this, there's the planning for the next day's bake. So, what does a day in the life of a mom baker look like? It's a whirlwind of activity, a delicate balancing act between nurturing a family and nurturing a business. It's about rolling with the punches, quite literally, and always rising to the occasion, much like the dough in the oven. It's about filling the house with the smell of love and fresh bread, and hearts with warmth and joy. In essence, it's a day filled with challenges and victories, laughter and tears, chaos and calm. It's a day in the life of a baker who is also a mom, a master juggler, a superhero in an apron. And as the day ends and the lights go out, you realize that every day is a fresh bake, ready to be kneaded, shaped, and baked to perfection.